Okay, wait, okay.
Ilang unyara ko eh. Unyara sa dunulon unyala unya. Magtagaan naman tatanan kay ihap naman.
Okay.
Kasi na lang.
There's hanging. Okay, it's okay. Give her one. I'm gonna have to get some more.
How about this, Dave?
Yeah. Her, it's okay. I'm gonna have to get some more. And I know you got 2 kilos earlier. I know.
Yeah, wala pa. Linyasa na wala pa.
I'm gonna have to get some more.
Linyasa na wala pa.
Did you get some? You got your rice? Okay. No, not them. Okay.
Mana kayo na to?
Okay.